is the knife that Brandon gave me to come.
Put it back there. There's no mushroom, y'all.
Not yet.
Not yet. So we can go to another spot. Ah.
Okay. He's a YouTuber.
From Florida.
See, I told you.
Go back over there. I'll get the map. Alright, time to check the GPS, make sure we're not getting lost.
What is that? Is that it?
I don't know. Look. Holy smoke.
It's not, babe.
It is.
It's not.
Oh wow.
It's not.
It is. Hello, pine.
What the hell? No.
Yes.
Really?
Yeah. I think it's around here. We need
Really?
to walk around here.
That's weird.
Because I get lucky around here.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't believe it.
But yeah, look at this. It's moist.
Is it for real?
Look at that.
No.
Hello, pine.
That's so cool.
Found one. Out. Now I get to saute. I mean, to grill this today.
Oi. Say oh, here's a single mushroom of some sort.
What mushroom?
It's like those green mushrooms. Those puffs.
It's like a broccoli looking. Oh wow. I think this is a
Cauliflower?
cauliflower. Oh yeah. Yeah, smell the cauliflower. Just beginning. Wow. Keep taking it. I'm gonna eat this one too. Yeah.
What is
shit.
this one over here? Nope.
Where's the bag?
Didn't bring it back.
Oh, it's in my backpack.
Okay, hold on. Bloody thing on top. It is. I can see the red speck on top. Right? See? It's all those red ones. Yep. Only these kind.
Today we found 2 mushroom, 1 pine and 1 cauliflower. That's it. It was kind of dry most of the places. See some old shriveled up mushroom. But other than that, we did hike. It's fun.
Was it?
I'm sure next few weeks pine mushroom season will be abundant.
Fingers crossed to that.
Found some bolete. Wow.
Oh, there's more right there growing everywhere. Right here. A lot of small ones too. See the small ones?
Look at this, huh? That's a good bolete. Look at that. Hardly any worm yet.
Let's go get the big one over there, Daddy. The big one down there.
Put the bag.
It's okay. You don't need bags.
Wow, look at these. Wow.
That's a very healthy one.
Unbelievable. Wow. Zoom in.
I did, baby.
Wow.
We see, honey?
Look at that. It's not wet. Make it all soft yet, huh?
There's the other ones right there that's like coming up.
Where?
Right there. Right here, honey. Come here. Come this side.
Put it in the car.
Right here. A lot of them right here.
Explore around here. There's a baby one. Huh?
Right here. The one underneath this pile.
Wow.
That's pretty.
Oh, there's a baby one. Wow. We haven't find good one like this. This is a real. Oh, just leave these. But yeah.
You're stepping on one right behind your heel.
Oh shit. It's okay.
Lift up this one, honey. Dad, lift up this one right here. What's underneath there? No?
Oh wow. Giant blue.
That you almost bypass.
My eye is not clear.
That's a really good one. It's very solid.
Okay. Ooh, nice one. Good finding, man. No, it's blind. Look at that. This is the beginning. I think next couple of weeks.
No, just take another week. That's it.
Wow. This is a dead cat right here. Wow, the baby next to it. Hello, what's going on, YouTube? I got here is a mushroom. Look at it. Look like cauliflower.
Other people may talk shit about us.
But the name is called Romaria botrytis, aka pink tip coral mushroom. It's edible, but I haven't tried it yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and slice it up and saute it, see how good it is. And I believe you want to cook this for 10 to 15 minutes if you haven't tried already, and just to see. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna slice in the middle. Oh, looks like this one, it got worm on it too, but it's okay. Extra protein, it won't hurt. Okay, there you go. Slice it up, thinly slice. And I'm gonna put in a pan, saute it.
Not far. The dinosaur should be right across this valley. Yeah,
That's good.
but the things that hunt them aren't. Oh, great.
Pretty meaty, as you can see. I'm pushing on it. All right, let's do this. This for sure is edible. How do I know that? Did a little research on YouTube, Google, and this is, they say, is one of the best coral mushroom family you can eat. And I see some worm, you know, eat some of this. I mean, it's edible. A little bit of fried garlic. All right. There's some porcini, king bolete. Yeah, we got some of this also. A little bit bitter. I'm gonna put some teriyaki sauce. Give some good color to it. Alright. Looks good. Pretty nice texture. Pretty good. Got some good, like a meaty texture to it. You want to try mushroom, bro? Okay, the final products. Pink coral tip mushroom. If you ever get a chance, stumble to this mushroom, I recommend it, man. Just eat a little bit only, just in case your stomach don't feel good with it.
Oh, good.
Crunchy, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Only got 10, right? And then how much you give to eat it?
But yeah, this is, like I said, pretty meaty. It's almost like pine mushroom meaty types of texture. Look at that. Yeah, bouncy in a way. But yeah. All right, one more. Look at that. All right, y'all. I just finished it, and it was really good, by the way. I mean, shit. That's the first time trying it, and it is not bad. I mean, this is the first time I found it, so, and I looked it up on Google, and it said it's edible. So, I mean, I'm not telling y'all to go out there and just find mushroom and trying to eat it, but as for me, you know, I've been doing a lot of research on YouTube and Google before I try to consume it. I don't just, you know what I mean? So if you do try first time, make sure you're 100% that is edible. And if you try it first time, do it like, you know, just a little bit first. And if your stomach, you know, like it within the first half an hour or so, go ahead and eat some more. But yeah, I like this mushroom. Alright, y'all. Again, thanks for tuning in. And if you want to see more this type of content, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.